picked and oven ready. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. There's a turkey with a gobble, watch her waddle start to wobble as the rooster cock-a-doodles the alarm. Cock-a-doodle-doo! We've got pullets, we've got chickens, we've got quail and what the dickens. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Gorgeous vision this is. It's Ida, she's my missus. So forgive me if I'm laying on the swan. She goes in for heated quacking to point out the skills I'm lacking. It's a poultry tale.